Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a delicious, easy and super satisfying meal that practically cooks itself, then you are in the right place today. We are making the ultimate one-pan baked chicken and potatoes, a classic for a reason, guys. It's minimal cleanup, packed with flavor, and perfect for any night of the week, guys. So guys, let's get into it. See how juicy this chicken looks. This is a whole meal on its own, guys. So let's get started. Let's get cooking. So first things first, let's talk about what we will need for our chicken. I'm using some drumsticks, okay, skin on and then bone in as well. They stay so juicy and the skin gets incredibly crispy. So I advise that when you're choosing, you choose either the thighs or the drumsticks and then bone in as well, okay. I'm also using some Irish potatoes. Yeah, you can use any one of your choice, okay, but this is what I have to do with, right? And so for a balanced diet, I'm going to add some onions, carrots and then green pepper. For extra freshness and flavor, I'm going to use some lemon as well. I'm going to need some oil, some spice blend cube or chicken seasoning. With the other ingredients, I have some salt to taste, some paprika, thyme, black pepper, garlic powder, some kebab pepper, and then finally some rosemary. Okay. I'll then go ahead and preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Yes, or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Anyone would do. I will at this point give my chicken some good wash. I'll add a bit of vinegar and then clean it properly and also remove any excess fat. I'll go ahead and arrange my chicken nicely on the chopping board so that I could pat dry, okay, with some paper towels. Now this helps with crispy skin, so do not skip this process if you want to try this recipe out, okay. Now I'm creating some incisions on our chicken, okay, so that the spices get into the chicken properly, gets under the skin and all that, because we do not have all day or we are not doing this overnight. So this process is also very necessary. But if you have overnight, you can even do it overnight and then prepare your dish the following day. It's all good to go. But today we do not have that time, and so I'll create some incisions so that the spices will get under the skin and into the chicken properly. I'll then go ahead and add all our spices I listed earlier. Okay, you can use any spice of your choice. You can even add some pepper for some kind of heat, but my kebab pepper has heat already, so I didn't add any form of pepper again. But if you're omitting the kebab powder, which is optional, then you can go ahead and add some pepper for extra heat. Okay, I'll drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oil over it, and then rub the seasonings all over the chicken, making sure that everything or the spices get under the skin. I'll clean the sides of my bowl properly and then cover it for this to rest a while we go ahead with our potatoes and vegetables. It's now time to peel our potatoes and also prep our vegetables. However, if your potatoes are very small, you do not need to peel them, okay? You just have to wash them properly and you are good to go. Alright, so we are just going to chop this into some chunky sizes, just about probably inch chunks. Okay, we do not want them smaller, either that they might get burnt in the oven. And we'll do same for our veggies as well. Okay guys, so this is ready. It's looking good already. So we are just going to add same seasoning to the vegetables and the potatoes, and then we mix everything together properly, toss it around, and then we are ready to bake this deliciousness. We will now arrange everything neatly on our baking tray, starting with the potatoes and veggies. Okay, you do not need to overload your pan, so if it's too much you can use 2 different baking trays. Okay, but mine is just good to go, so I'm just using one. Okay guys, see this beauty, is it calling your name? So I'll spread everything neatly and then put our chicken on top, so as it bakes the juices get into the potatoes and the vegetables. Guys, look at this. Guys, you need to try this out. Okay, it's so delicious, very delicious and simple to put together. I'll add my lemon slices now. I just add some freshness to the whole dish, or brightness. Okay, it's totally optional, but I love it in this recipe. So I'm just going to drizzle a little amount of oil all over this, and we'll get baking. So into the oven it goes. So I'm baking this for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, okay, depending on the size of your chicken. I think I had bigger size, so I baked for about an hour. Okay, so they are ready, guys. Look at this deliciousness, guys. Look at this. It's so amazing. I mean, the texture is just okay. Everything came out perfectly just like I wanted, guys. See this? I mean, this is a whole meal on its own, nothing to pair this with. I just paired it with some pineapple juice and I was good to go. So guys, let's dig in. It's time to enjoy this one, okay? So let's eat together. Like I mentioned, it's simple and delicious, okay? So if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes, and let me know in the comment section what your go-to weeknight meal is. You know, we are all busy out here, but once in a while we need to try quick and easy recipes for ourselves and our families. Until then, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.